Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be playing some Grand Theft Auto 5. So I got my little camera set up here. You might not be able to see the full screen, but yes, we are going to be playing some Grand Theft Auto 5. Let us go and play some GTA. Let me see if I can fix this camera angle a bit. There we go, that's a bit better, guys. Now you can see it a little bit better. Oh, here we go, the game's already started. Let's turn the volume down a little bit. Get this game on the run. So how you guys been doing today? I've been doing pretty good, you know, I've just been... Sorry guys, I'm actually really sick. I'm dying, if you couldn't tell already. Got like water here and stuff. I've already like drank half of it. Oh look, you can see myself. Hi. Yep. Not doing too good, but I'm recovering. Slowly but surely, I'm recovering. So we're just loading in the GTA Online here. I'm going to be just messing about with some cheats today, as you may be happy to hear. I'm starting a gaming channel on this channel, so we're just going to be messing about with some cheats today, and we're just going to have some fun with them. So as you can see, I pulled up the GTA Cheats website right here on my iPad. Oh, it just went off. Hold on. Let's see if it'll load back up. Oh look, we've loaded into the game. We're in as Trevor. So here are the GTA cheats that we are going to be using today. Oh, what's happening? Okay, so here we are in GTA and we are playing as Trevor right now, but I don't want to play as Trevor, I want to play as Michael, so we're gonna head over and switch over to Michael and mess around with him. What are you up to, buddy? What are you up to? What are you up to, buddy boo? Oh, he's in his house. What's he doing in his house? Oh, gee, Michael. Michael, it's okay, buddy. Calm down. You're in your house. It was just a dream. Put the gun down and put some clothes on. There we go. Smooth McGee. Okay, look at this. Our wife left us. She's free. She's free our dinner date on the floor. She's free our marriage on the floor. She even graffitied. Thank you very much. That's nice. Alright, let's go. Oh, got a text from Trevor. Let's see what this says. Mikey. We both know our flying ain't so good, so get some airtime at the flight school before we move on this, or I'll be angry. What the heck was that? I could have sworn I heard a bang. Oh well. I always hear bangs in this house. Maybe it was just outside or something. Okay, so I actually think we should just mess about with some cheats today. Not really feeling doing any missions or anything, so we're just gonna have some fun with GTA 5. Okay, so here we are playing as Michael, and the first cheat we're gonna put on is we are going to put on super jump, which is left trigger, X, B, B, left trigger, X, X, da, da, A. There we go. As you can see, it says super jump activated. And now we can do this. Guys, oh my god, look. Superman, away. Or should I say Fat Man? See what I did? It's like Fat Man. Da, 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 da. Oh my god, this is so hilarious. Wait, where are we? Hey guys, I have a tennis court too. Want to come over for dinner? I'm lonely. Let me go. Hey guys, want to see something cool? Ow. Dun. Oh God.
Is this really happening?
Yes.
Oh, fuck.
Do not fear, citizen. Fat man away. Do you need help, citizen? Hey, don't court me. I'm private. Oh no. I'm so sorry. I hit the doggy. What do you want, Tracy?
Tracy, baby, you called?
Yeah, look, Dad.
Oh, it's Tracy.
I'm worried too. I really want to see you.
Well, I don't want to see you. You need help. Like, serious help. If
Tracy.
you don't get it, you're gonna be killed.
Tracy, I love you. But you don't know what the fuck you're talking about.
Yeah,
I
Tracy.
tried, Daddy. That's all I could do.
Oh my God. She's always complaining about something. Superman away! Dun, 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 dun. Okay, this Superman joke is getting really old. But this is super awesome. Okay, maybe we should put fast run on. And then we can just like run like the wind. Oh guys, look, we got fast run. Dun 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 dun. Oh my God. Citizens, do you need Superman help?
Who cares?
Who cares? Shut your fucking mouth.
Oh my god.
Oh my God, it's Superman.
Look
Dun,
out.
dun. Another citizen saved by Fat Man. Hello, citizen. Do you need your car fixed? It's mine now.
Come on, bro.
Get out.
Time to move.
Okay guys, I'm gonna play some music and speed up time, and I'll see you when I'm there. Oh God. Sorry. Ah! Ouch. Wait a minute. I don't need a car. I can fly because I'm Fat Man. Dun, 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 dun. I hope that time lapse worked. If it didn't, then enjoy me crashing into walls and stuff. Okay. It's Beer. Come back. I love you. I love you more than my wife. What are you? What van are you? Wait. Come back. I love you. I love your beer. I'm stuck in a tree. Can I get stuck in a tree? Aw, I want to get stuck in a tree. I want to be able to make this joke. Come on. Please? Can I make this joke? Oh, for God's sake. Oh, fine. Let's just jump into the tennis court. Whee! Or the golf club. Whee! Ooh, I've never been in here without actually paying. I'm cheating the game. Wait, can I get in this tree? Oh, damn. So leave in the comment, guys, what you want me to play next. And I will certainly play it for you. Ooh, I'm flying. Da, da, da. Oh my God, this is so much fun. Let's land in the pool. Me is no lady. Wee. Oh my God. Get out of my suit. This is a brand new suit and I'm ruining it. Let's get out of here. Nothing to see here, just a normal citizen going about his day. Fat man. Hug tree hugger. Oh God. Ooh, nice car. I don't need cars. I can fly. Meow. Michael, your arms are waving about like crazy. Beer! Don't hug me. He's no lady. Guys, I'm old. Stupid car. Oh shit, run! Wee. Oh. Damn it. Hey guys, I got a fun game. Let's play building jump. So basically what you do is you get in a building, right? You can play along with this at home if you've got GTA. So what you do is you get in a building and you just have to try jump from building to building. It's really fun. Let's jump to this building next. It's a bit like Frogger, only you're not on the road and it's more safer. So if your parents walk in, you can just be like, I'm just jumping from building to building. You know, just having a casual fun game of jumping from building to building. Oh my god. Guys, did you see that? I actually made that. Oh my god, that's so sick. Oh, so close. Oh, this is where Franklin, the hotel assassination. I feel weird being here. I'm gonna leave. I shouldn't be here. Yay. Let's try go to places that... Wow. I just died. On that bombshell, I think this is a good time to end the video. Anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, smash that like button, smash it hard, and I will see you in the next one. Take it easy. Bye-bye. Oh, my cheats were deactivated. This is bullshit. Where are the cops? Must have given up. Bye, guys.